Just a few more ticks and we should be good. Whoa, geez, huge explosion to the upside. There's just something about trading on Mondays where it just doesn't usually work out as well as I would like it to. Maybe it's the fact that I didn't trade all weekend and I'm just looking to jump into it. Maybe I take subpar setups. Regardless, today's Monday and this is how the trading day went. If you're new to my channel, my name is BJ. I'm on the path to becoming a consistently profitable day trader. In these videos, I share my thought processes, my wins and losses to ultimately help you become a better trader. If you want to join me on this journey, hit that like button, smash the subscribe, and let's jump into the charts. Trying to get short on this order block. Gonna put a tight stop up here, and then I'm gonna target this fair value gap right here, or this order block. Don't want it going above the main threshold. Let's see how it reacts. Perfect. It's a good little start to the morning. And just look at how price is respecting this perfectly. So that was a solid exit for me. Let's see, we get filled on this order block. I'm going to put a stop right underneath here. We are filled. So looking here, looks like we're in a consolidation. Probably will end up getting stopped. I thought we were breaking above this, but I guess may not be. There we go. Back to break even. LOL. So that is why I don't really trade trends, because I don't know. I'm just trash at trading trends. I know that. And I still continue. I'm going to actually enter in long. I'm going to target this order block. Now we wait and we let the trade play out. Win or lose, it is what it is. Taking an exit right at this order block is actually in line with this fair value gap on the 5-minute, so I do feel comfortable with this trade. It may go higher, but that's okay. My trading model are the quick scalps, bringing it down just one tick to try to get filled. Price is actually in this fair value gap right here, but yeah, I don't know, this may have been my potential exit before it goes down lower. Not sure, but you know, still in. Yeah, this is something I need to work on, my patience. I noticed last week I ended up closing trades even though there was no reason for me to, because I was trading the P&L rather than the chart. Okay, so price is coming right into this order block again. Yeah, this could just be an accumulation of more longs, or maybe I get stopped out, but it's okay. I'm following my plan. Dang, yeah, got stopped. So what I noticed here is that the price actually came and closed right at this main threshold area here. It should have come, hit it, and rejected immediately after, but it did not, and that should have been my indication to get out. Plus price came into this fair value gap, which was actually the PD array that it was targeting. It wicks in by a tick multiple times, and I was also trying to hold for this gap right here. Then this was the actual target, so it's okay. It happens. Not every time we're gonna hit those trades. All right, so the 4-hour came into this fair value gap. 1 hour did as well, took out liquidity. I'm trying to get long on this order block right here on the 1-minute. Looks like I did get filled. Need price to rip up higher. I don't know, not sure it's a good quality trade because there's no major displacement candle. So we got 10 seconds, 5 seconds. I want to see how this guy closes. Closed above the main threshold, and we're probably gonna end up getting stopped. So closed early. 1 minute change of character. I want to enter in on this order block. Let's see if we get filled, and then I'd put a stop right below here, and I would target this guy right up here. We are filled, so let's see how this trade plays out. I'm close to hitting my max daily loss, so this may or may not be my last trade for the day, but I'm gonna hold this and see if we can hit our target at this order block. Price took out liquidity. It had a change of character right here, came into this order block, and I think this is the next logical exit on the 1-minute. We're gonna hold this. I think it's a decent quality trade. I brought the exit just one tick lower just to make sure I get filled in case it goes literally right to the tick. So far looking good. We just need to hold on. Okay, I moved the stop, and I'm gonna see if I can enter in to another contract here. Maybe we won't get filled here, but it's okay. We're long one. On the 5-minute, price actually came right into this fair value gap, started going lower, so I don't know. I think I may potentially get stopped here on the 1-minute. Yeah, dang, it did not deliver, did not get filled, but I'm still holding on. I guess I could have gotten my other fill here. I guess I got scared, so decided to not enter into it, but you know, still into the position, would have gotten filled. Now let's see if we can go and deliver. I'm watching the 15-second. If it breaks below this, I'm gonna get out. Maybe I won't even have time to do it, but yeah, it's not accelerating as aggressively as I would have liked it to. I need to see it just whip through right now in this next candle. Just a few more ticks and we should be good. Whoa, geez, huge explosion to the upside. Got filled here. Wow, okay, well that's good. Got out and almost to break even for the day. That's a good sign. Price actually came to the order block on the 5-minute. This would have been a potentially better exit. You know, I did follow my rules of the low-hanging fruit objective, so I'm happy I got out right here. So taking a look at this trade that I just made, it swept liquidity, and after a loud chop, price did on this area break above here, so there was a change of character. There was an order block right here. So I entered here, put a stop underneath here, and then I targeted this next order block. and that's exactly what happened. So it's great to see price delivered exactly the way, and a little bit more of course than I had anticipated. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It will help with the YouTube algorithm and it'll help us share our message with the rest of the trading community. On the 1 minute, I'm targeting this order block right here. Take out long. Let's see if it breaks through this and if I can get filled as a target here. Price needs to just rip higher. Yeah, I entered into an order block trade in a premium. I'm jamming the stop here because I'm not super confident in this trade. Price already came into this mean threshold of this order block, and so I need to just continue going up. All right, I'm gonna get out. Just lost money on commission, but the reason I got out is on the 1 minute price came and hit the CE of this wick and was not shooting up as aggressively as I would have liked it to. Plus we're in a premium. This is just an overall bad FOMO trade, and so after recognizing that, decided to get out. Sure, maybe I'll come hit my target, but this is not my setup and this is just not a good trade. Well, this is why I decided to get out. I felt I was offsides and I'm glad I got out with just a scratch. And you can see here, entered and got out, just lost a little bit on commissions. Looking to get long right here on this order block. We are long. So my exit is actually this order block on the 1 minute. So let's see if we can power through this and punch through it. This may not be the highest quality trade. I need to see it really displace in the next minute or two. If it goes below here, I'm going to be getting out. Actually jamming my stop loss very tight because I don't necessarily trust this trade. It just needs to really shoot up or I am out. There we go. Got stopped. This just was not a high quality trade and I was okay risking one tick to potentially see if it wanted to go higher. The 1 minute got long on this order block. The reason why I entered into this trade is I was watching the 15 minute. I wanted to see how it reacted right here. It came into this fair value gap, did an institutional order flow entry drill. That's looked bullish and there are a lot of buy side liquidity up here. Once it takes it out, the next logical drawn liquidity on the 1 minute is this bearish order block. So that is my exit. Yeah, I know. I guess I may have not even followed my normal model, which is I take the first low hanging fruit objective, which is these relative equal highs. But you know, this is expected. Small little drawdown. I just need to be more patient and just wait. Either TP gets hit or the stop loss. Gosh, I just want to exit right now, but I don't know, something about trading consolidations. I mean, it's not that I'm entering and exiting trades. I entered into this. It just happens to be consolidating. This is known as time distortion, so it should be okay. I just don't want it coming down, taking out my stop and then ripping higher. I don't know. I think that's kind of my issue right now. I think I'm just going to go ahead close, and I'm happy I closed because this is exactly where I end up losing money when I enter and exit, but I'm sure if I waited literally like 2 or 3 more minutes, it's going to come hit my take profit. This seems to happen all the time, and I've just learned, just don't trade during consolidation. So I got out. I'm almost break even for the day. All right, so we would have had to sit through all this chop, and basically what happened was price came down, swept out of the sell side liquidity, hit this order block, this entry. I could have kept my stop right there and it would have actually hit my target. And look at this chop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 minute candle. So for over an hour, it was just chopping around in here, accumulation. And then this comes down, takes out all the sell side into this order block, and then it shoots higher. I don't know, I guess I just didn't have patience. The time distortion thing was real, but it is cool to see that price did deliver after over an hour of just chopping around in here. Basically broke even for the day minus some commissions. It's better than a big loss, so I'm not mad. If you enjoyed this video, you're going to love this video.